Hello and welcome back to the Looking Stylish YouTube channel. Today I want to show you another method that I use for creating a colour scheme for your capsule wardrobe. So for this method I use a print that I really like, and this is quite a good way of putting together colours that you wouldn't normally expect to see together. For example, in this scarf we've got a very warm yellow, but we've also got a cooler blue and pink, and they're all bright, but you wouldn't necessarily see yellow and pink together. So if I wanted to use this as a starting point for a colour scheme, I could actually bring in yellow and pink. I might not wear them together. I might wear each of them with the blue or with the neutral cream. And the other thing that you can do is have a look for a print that does include those two colours. So it's a really good way of bringing colours together that are a little bit more unexpected. Now for today's example, I'm going to use this scarf, which has got some greens in it, it's got orange in it, it's got yellow. It's also got black in it, but instead of the black I'm going to use a navy, because I think once you get the scarf against that navy it's not going to be too obvious that it's black rather than navy. So it's then a case of finding pieces that are in the colours of the print that you can put together to create your capsule. Now, if you're creating a capsule wardrobe for a small one, I typically say have 3 pieces for each of the types of items that you've got in the wardrobe. So you'll see that in this capsule I've got 3 jackets or top pieces, I've got 3 tops, I've got 3 bottoms, I've got 3 pairs of shoes, and I've got 3 handbags, and obviously I've also got the scarf, and I could bring in some other accessories too, but for this I'm just showing you a very basic capsule. So let's have a look at some of the pieces that I'm including. I've got 3 top pieces which include that jacket. I've then got a yellow that we've seen in the scarf, and my final top piece is a navy blue jersey cardigan with a tie waist to it. So 3 top pieces there, all of them that go with the scarf. Next I've got my 3 tops. I've got 1 in navy, I've got 1 in neutral cream, and I've also got 1 in orange. And the next thing that I'm going to add in is some bottom pieces. And for my bottom pieces I've got a pair of cream trousers, I've got a pair of green cropped jeans, and I've got a pair of navy trousers. So the next thing that I'm going to do is add in some accessories additional to the scarf that we've already got. I've got a green tote bag and a little yellow clutch bag, and then I've got this cream handbag. So I've got handbags for different occasions as well. The cream one I could use smart or casual. It has a shoulder strap as well so that I could use it when I'm out shopping. The little yellow clutch bag is great just to slip under the arm, and again I could use that for the evening. And then I've got a more casual tote bag that I can use, which would be really good with the green cropped jeans for running around town. And then finally, to add some shoes, I've got a pair of sandals in the green. I've got a pair of shoes in the yellow, and I've got a casual pair of flats in the orange. So let me put a couple of looks together for you just to show you how this capsule works. So for the first look I'm going to use the green jeans, the navy top and the cream jacket, and then to pull the green in I'm going to use the green sandals and the green tote bag. For the second look, the navy trousers with the orange top and the navy cardigan, then using the orange flat shoes and the cream handbag. Then for the third option, I've got the cream trousers, and I've kept this just two colours with the cream and the yellow, then using the yellow handbag and the yellow shoes. And then another option, the cream and the navy jacket, again with the navy trousers, with our cream handbag, and then with the red shoes. And another option for our green jeans with the cream top and the yellow cardigan. And with the yellow shoes. So I hope you can see there's quite a lot of variety here, that I can mix the pieces up and make multiple different outfits. So this is a really easy method of putting together a colour scheme for a capsule wardrobe. If you find a print that you absolutely love, even if it's got some colours in it that you wouldn't normally wear, then you can make it work like this. So don't be frightened to mix up colours. So although I obviously do give guidance on colours, I don't want to tell you that you cannot wear a colour. Loving the colours that you're wearing and feeling confident in them is the most important thing. Whether they supposedly suit your colouring or not, it's entirely up to you what you wear, and if you feel good about the colours, then don't let anybody dictate to you what you can and cannot wear. So I hope that's helped. I hope it's given you some ideas and some inspiration. And I also hope that if you found something in your wardrobe that you shouldn't wear because the colours are wrong, that it's given you some ideas of how you can wear that item and you can enjoy wearing it. So if you have any questions, them in the comments section below, and I will come back and answer them for you. There's always ideas on the blog lookingstylish.co.uk of how to put colours together. And if you really want to get some insight into which colours you love and which colours make you feel good, I'd like to recommend our colour course. You will know if you've been reading the blog for a while that I don't like to put people into boxes. So the course actually gives you some ideas about what suits you, but it also gives you some ideas about how to wear colour just to suit yourself. And as I said, if you feel good in a colour, then that is the most important thing. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please do give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you have any suggestions or things you'd like to see in the future, then again, please leave them in the comments box. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.